All right, I am back. So if you watched my video like a month ago where I was talking about all the stuff with Apple, you might have remembered I brought up that I was really looking forward to buying the M1X MacBook Pro that they were supposed to announce at WWDC. That didn't happen. So I went ahead and just bought the normal M1 MacBook Pro. I upgraded a bit. I got the 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gig SSD. UPS was being really weird about it. So Apple originally said it would arrive between the 6th and the 8th of July. I ordered it like June 22nd, I think. And for a while, it stayed the same. And then eventually UPS said it's actually going to get here on July 2nd. I was like, okay, cool. That's great. And then a few days later, as in yesterday, it said, actually, nope, now it's going to get here on the 6th. So I was like, well, it's a bummer, but whatever, it's fine. This morning I check it, out for delivery. It'll be here by 7. So I got here around 4:30, and definitely a welcome surprise. I just scared the dog. I'm not going to make this take too long because these models have been out for a while now, so I don't know how many people are running to YouTube to watch an unboxing video of them, but I figured I'd go ahead and do it. Take the little plastic wrapping off. The best part. Oh, the dog's on the couch. Show the dog. Here, Lucy. I have Noah next to me, and Ethan is the one recording the video. So I'll take the top off. I got the silver this time. I currently have a space gray MacBook Pro. It's the base model from 2017. This is definitely a nice upgrade from that.
Lighter color.
Yeah, I like the silver more. I got the space gray last time because it was cheaper for some reason. Yeah, so this is the Mac itself that I'll probably dent or scratch within the next 2 days. Knowing my luck, put that there. This is the box with all the papers and stuff that no one has ever read. I said this once in the Bose unboxing video, and I'll say it again. They kill trees and nothing else. No one actually reads them. I think they give me stickers, though.
It's like they make their boxes smaller for their phones, but they still...
Okay, yeah, at least I got stickers. So some manual about Energy Star. Something, it's a quick start thing. Talks about the touch bar. Who cares? And there's something else, I think, in here. I can't get it out, though. Maybe not. Whatever. You don't care. Neither do I. Put the stickers there. It's the USB-C cable. I already have like 3 of these, but I don't mind having another because mine are all kind of messed up. Solid. And then the brick, which I also have one of these, but never hurts to have another because mine is, I think I have 2. One's broken. The one that came with my last MacBook just stopped working for some reason. And then one of my friends gave me one, but one of the little prongs on, the part that goes in the wall, the left one, if you push it up, they all go up. If you push up the right one, only the right one goes up. So I like having one that works. And that is literally everything in the box. So that's the unboxing. Maybe I review it at the end of this video. I don't know. If there's like 10 seconds left in the video, that means I didn't. But I'll turn it on too on camera. Magic. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See ya. Hello everybody, I am back again. It's been a few days. Today is July 3rd, and I've had a little bit of time to mess around with my new toy, and I kind of wanted to just go over some of my first impressions. I'm recording this on the new MacBook. I figured, since this is what the video is about, I would use the new camera and the new mic. Obviously, it doesn't really hold up to the iPhone, but I think it sounds alright. I've already listened to some of the audio from it. Anyways, I'd say the thing that impresses me the most so far is probably the temperatures. And that might seem like a little bit of a weird thing to, be amazed by. But anyone who has owned a MacBook Pro, an Intel one from especially the last few years, I don't know about pre-2016, but if you've got one, any time since 2016, you know that these things get hot and they get loud after doing not very much. I think mine was worse than others because I've had it since around the middle of 2017, right around when that model released, and I have never cleaned the dust out of the inside, and I imagine it's probably built up, so that probably doesn't help, but I know the heat thing is still kind of universal. And even just like joining a meeting in Microsoft Teams or Zoom, or even sometimes just using Safari would make it, not necessarily sound like a jet, but it would turn on and you could hear it, and if you felt it, it would be warm. This thing is the exact opposite. As far as I've heard, the fan is not kicked on so far. I haven't really stress tested it that much, but I've done a little bit of messing around with Final Cut. I've played a couple games that work on a Mac at least, and stuff that would normally make the last one hotter than the sun. So far, the fan is not kicked on. Maybe it has, like when I've had headphones on, but as far as I'm aware, it's been completely silent. The warmest it's gotten is when I plugged it into charge, and I was also working on it at the same time. It got a little warm on the bottom. I had it plugged into a monitor anyway, so it didn't really matter. Fan still didn't kick on, and that's the worst that it's been, and it's not bad at all. I'll gladly take that. So obviously the performance is a lot better too. The last one I had was a dual-core i5. I think it was the 7th generation one. Not super great. It worked for what I did, and obviously the Macs are pretty well optimized, but this one is definitely a lot better. I don't yet regret getting it. I don't think I will. Once the new M1X model is announced in the fall, I might, because that one is supposed to just take the M1 and double the performance scores, so it's literally going to be, at least on the CPU side, twice as powerful. So that thing will kick this one's ass, but this one is still really powerful, so I'm happy with it, and I am pretty confident with my decision. I like the touch bar too. My last one didn't have a touch bar because it was just the base model. They didn't include them on all of them back then. And a lot of people give it a bad rep, and they say that they would pay extra to get rid of it. So far, I like it, but in 2 weeks, maybe a month, I might change my mind on that. Realize that it's just a gimmick after all the excitement's gone, but as of right now, I think it's really cool. So anyways, that's my first impressions. I didn't really have, very much structure for this last part, so I'm not going to ramble on too long. I tend to do that, but that's how I feel so far, and I'm happy. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.